Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, a 1955 Post over the top. Got Dan right here. He's gonna tell us a little bit about it. What are you doing today, Dan?
How are you?
Man, what a car, man.
427 big block, turbo 400, Ford 9-inch, Posi. It's a rust-free West Coast car. Got a Budnick wheels all the way around, four-wheel disc brakes, weaved interior, weaved finished trunk, and no expense spared, pretty much.
It's beautiful. Sits beautiful. 335s in the back. What kind of gears?
It's got 355s. You can drive the car anywhere.
Posi?
Pump gas, Posi rear, mini tubs. Got a big tire back there.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful custom exhaust.
Just sits so nice, you know.
Polished tank.
Yeah, the tank's not cheap. Bet you that's 4,500 bucks alone.
Yeah. You won't find many like this.
Beautiful lines and fitment.
The body's absolutely beautiful, and the underneath is just as clean.
It's gorgeous. The Turbo 400's a little bit of a stall shift kit on the tranny. Stall?
Yeah, everything's to be driven.
Yeah.
It's not a race car. It's
Touring.
a big block. It's got plenty of power for what it is, but it's made to drive anywhere. You can drive this car to California.
Beautiful.
In comfort.
Power steering, power brakes. Dan? Power steering and brakes.
Yes, sir. Four-wheel disc.
Disc up front, disc in the rear. Chrome and the paint, everything's beautiful. I like the LED turn signals, front, rear.
A lot of hours on this body. I mean, if you know what it takes to do these cars and to get them done like this, it's definitely the extra mile.
Yeah. The attention to detail in this car is just off the hook.
The lines, the fitment, the doors, the way they close, everything's perfect.
All the hardware is stainless. The fasteners. Man, it's so pretty. I mean, look how the door fits all the way down. Just phenomenal. Real clean. Smooth firewall. Everything's hidden too. Brake boosters underneath or behind the firewall?
Yeah, brake boosters on the chassis underneath.
Cool.
All custom.
Yeah, smooth firewall. And not overly done either, you know?
No.
Notice all the fasteners.
It's like I said,
stainless.
It's meant to be a driver. You can drive anywhere, and there's been no expense spared. I mean, in hardware, everything is all stainless.
Long tube headers. Is that a 650 double pumper?
Yes.
Electronic ignition?
Yeah.
It's probably an MSD distributor. Nice and simple.
Turnkey, pump gas.
Sometimes when you do too much,
Driver anywhere.
you know,
yeah, you don't want it too radical because you want to drive it, and you want it to be dependable. That's the biggest thing.
yeah.
You want to get to where you're going and look good in comfort.
You're not joking, man. Looks like I did it tilt wheel.
Yeah.
Nice big aluminum radiator. Almost looks like a 1,000 horsepower radiator. Big boy.
She runs at 180 on a day like today.
It's hot today, bro.
And it's 90 degrees out.
It's 90 something degrees.
Yeah.
Interior's just as nice. Before we get in there, I'd like to show everyone the trunk. Dan. One key for everything, right?
Yep. One key fits all.
Look at that. Nice and clean. I like simple. It's got a real nice clean look. Man, look at the gauge on the battery terminal wires. It's a kicker solo. Sub. Alpine amp. Cream is pretty, man.
And the mini tub, you don't even know what's in there. It looks all original, stock, hinges in the original places where you would think they would be.
Yeah.
And if I didn't tell you it was mini tub, you really wouldn't know.
Yep, and this piece goes here, so you guys know. That cleans it up. Man, pretty. LED taillights too.
Yes.
You also have the LED third brake light.
Yep, that's a West Coast thing.
Love the tweed interior. So nice.
And the doors close, like they just click closed, you know?
Yeah. Look at that. That is fantastic. Just new. Budnick wheel matches the wheels.
Yep.
It's also leather wrapped. Three-inch exhaust, Flowmaster.
Yep.
So we got 1,400 miles on the build, huh? 1,400 miles on the build?
On the whole entire build,
Wow.
1,400, just about 1,500.
Wow.
The digital dash. So I'm saying everything's pretty fresh. So
Yeah, man.
to go out and build one, it probably cost you twice as much.
Yeah.
If you could find one this clean.
The parts are impossible to get now,
Well, if you
man.
can find a body this clean to begin with,
Yeah. Kenwood stereo.
save yourself a lot of money on body work.
Got the matching digital clock. I like all the leather and the insulation. Everything's obviously dyno matted, probably, right? Dyno matted in here.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, you go drive down the road, you can't even hear the outside of the car.
Like a caddy.
It's very smooth, everything. The ride, the sound.
Yeah. Seat belts all the way around.
Yeah. That was ready to rock.
Yeah, man. Got a really nice sound to it. Can you hit it once, Dan? Nice. 335 tire. Plenty of meat. Look at that polished tank under here. That is fantastic. The frame is also boxed in.
Yep, frame's all boxed in. Got your Billet on it.
You know, when everyone does leather, but this has style. You know, this is like something that they would make in the day.
You don't see too often, you know what I mean? Leather you always see,
Yeah.
and you know, again, this is like a West Coast thing, and it really is. It's just clean,
It's cool in the summer.
smooth.
Doesn't stick to you. So nice, man. So nice. Look how those doors shut. Beautiful. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Keep in mind we do offer financing and ship all over the world. Thanks again, Dan, for showing us your car.